going to the gym, going to get dinner, going to bed. Oh my, you fucking idiot. No matter what road I take, there's always traffic, like every single day. And it drives me insane because of people like that. I go to the Y. It's probably my favorite location in town that I can go to. The only downside is that the gym's like the size of a matchbox. So if there's more than like 6 people in there, then, you know, it's going to get kind of competitive for weights and all that.
Hey, what are you doing?
What?
Hey, I'm working, man.
I'm working out. This is my machine, so I'm working out.
All right, all done. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm hungry. So let's go get some food.
Oh.
Coupons and...
Safe. I'll see you. Yeah. Just got off work, running over to the mall real quick just to get some workout supplements. I don't know, there's just something about going into like these supplement stores that just drives me insane. I hate aggressive salespeople, and I think that supplement stores alongside car dealerships are the worst because they're always like, oh, you know, have you checked this out, or you know, you should try this too. I'm just like, hey, like I know what I'm coming in for. Just like let me get my stuff and leave. Like, stop.
What's going on, man?
Nothing. How are you?
That's good. You know what you're looking for today?
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna stick with the same stuff I'm just gonna.
We're running a special promo today that if you wanted to sign up, we'll knock you $10 off of your total purchase today, or we can give you a free $19.99 multi-buy.
Okay,
I'm alright. I'll just stick with that. See what I mean? So pretty much when I'm out of town for an extended period of time, whether it's, you know, a weekend or if it's for vacation, I always make sure that my house, my apartment, whatever, is spotless before I go, just so that when I get back, I don't have to worry about cleaning or doing any additional work. I can just kind of come home and unwind and just relax. So the left lane's closed up ahead, and this truck driver behind us got sick of like all these people like zooming up here and getting over at the last second. So he's like blocking both lanes, and I'm like strangely okay with it. Finally made it. So before I do anything else, I gotta go get my hellos and hugs and all that stuff taken care of. I'm here. Sorry it took so long.
I was wondering why it took you forever.
Party doesn't start for a couple hours, so I'm gonna work out. party time.
It's on the speaker.
Huh?
Yeah, what's up on the speaker?
There's a guest speaker.
No, I said.
Got it.